Mr. Devesh Kumar, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 3 in civil engineering branch in ESE 2021 exam.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Devesh, tell us what type of coaching program that you have availed from our ESE Engineering Academy in your preparation.
Sir, I have taken the mains test series, online test series, and the interview guidance program booklet, plus mock interview, both from the Hyderabad team and the Delhi team.
Right. Very good, Devesh. Devesh, you said that you have availed for your mains examination this online test series.
Yes, sir.
So, at what interval you used to take this mock test while preparing the subjects?
Sir, actually, after preparing a single subject, I have written the examination online and submitted it. And through that, I can check my preparedness and my accuracy and selection of questions.
Right. Okay. When you take the full length mock test?
Sir, at the last month, in the last month.
Okay. Devesh, may I know about your educational background, your engineering college name, and when did you pass out?
Sir, I have joined BTech program in IIT Delhi in 2015, and during my graduation, I have promoted to the dual degree program BTech plus MTech, and I finished my BTech plus MTech in 2020.
Right. In 2020, you passed out dual
Yes.
degree from IIT Delhi.
Yes,
Okay.
IIT Delhi.
So, when did you conceive this idea of preparing for this engineering services?
Sir, during my MTech program, I have get attracted towards the engineering service examination, and I started my preparation during that time. And I've given my first attempt in 2020, but unfortunately, I have unable to clear the mains examination. But in 2021, I have secured the All India rank 3.
Good. So, this is your second attempt.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, compared to your first attempt, which you gave in the 2020,
Yes, sir.
in the 2021 preparation, you are highly successful. You please tell
Yes.
us what modifications, what changes that you have brought in your success, in our preparation.
Sir, first of all, I have done the dual degree program. So the program is highly hectic. So I am unable to complete my syllabus in 2020, ESE 2020. So in the 2021, I have first of all, I have completed my syllabus, revised it thoroughly twice, and given the test series. And uh, I have completed the weak subjects completely thoroughly twice. And that's why I able to achieve the great success.
Okay. This prelims type of questions and mains type of questions, they are different. Prelims, you
Yes.
have basically objective type. So how
Yes.
did you prepare for this up to prelims examination, and how did you prepare after prelims examination?
Sir, for the prelims examination, for especially for the paper 2 civil engineering part, the small points are important. The factual points are important. Derivational and the basic concept are not very much important. The formula based question are there, and some theories question are there. Assets and return are there. So for that, I have read the theory books, class notes, and given the full length test series many times, which helped me a lot in the paper 2. And for the paper 1, I have read the class notes plus theory books plus the headings of the newspaper of the last 6 months.
Okay, in the paper 1 general studies, we have many topics, up to 10 topics are there.
Yes.
Did you cover all the 10 topics with equal emphasis?
Yes, sir. Actually, sometimes some topics have the extra weightage in the UPSC. We cannot predict it. That's why we have to cover the all subject thoroughly, and that's why I am able to secure a good marks in the paper 1 also.
Okay. Now, after giving this prelims examination, when you compare with the key released by some of the coaching centers, so how many marks you are getting approximately in the paper 1 of general studies subject?
Sir, approximately 90 to 95 this time.
Okay, right. Reasonably good, nearly 100 marks means. Okay. Devesh, after completion of the prelims examination,
Yes, sir.
towards this mains examination, because you have basically descriptive conventional questions that you have to write in the QCA booklet format in the mains examination. So how you used to carry out the preparation exclusively for this part?
So first of all, I've divided my complete syllabus into two categories. First one is the theoretical subjects, and second one is the numerical subject. For the theoretical subject, I have made the point-wise answers for each type of question which can be predicted in the examination. And for the numerical questions, I have solved the previous year question papers of engineering service examination and the civil service examination. That helped me a lot. And I have practiced in the question come answer booklet thoroughly throughout the my preparation period, and that helped me a lot.
Good. Did you refer to only your class notes? Otherwise, for any subjects, you have referred any additional textbooks also?
Sir, I have not referred any textbook. I have mostly referred the class notes. And if I feel some topics are weak, then I have referred the theory book of the coaching centers.
Okay. See, in our civil engineering, there are many subjects. If you see some subjects like geology, and then tunnel engineering, docks and
Yes,
harbors, airport engineering, railway engineering, etc., these are having less weightage.
yes.
So, how did you carry out a preparation, especially on this type of subjects?
Sir, for the this kind of topics, I have prepared the short notes, 3-4 pages of each topics, and I've tried to read those topics one or twice just before the examination, so that if in the mains examination, if some questions are in there in optional questions, so that small topics can give you additional 20 marks in that optional question. So it helped me a lot in selecting a question which can give me a 60 marks attempt in particular question.
Okay, understand. The short notes means what you used to write in the short notes?
Sir, I have read the theory books, and whatever I feel that it can be asked in the examination based on the previous years, that I have written in the short notes, and point wise, small points, what can be remembered and reproduced in the examination, that I have written in my short notes.
Main gist you might have written, right? Did you prepare short notes even for the other subjects also?
Yes, sir. I have prepared short notes for around all the subjects except the numerical subjects. For the numerical subjects, I have prepared only the formula sheet, and for almost all the subjects, I have prepared the short notes.
Right. On the day of the actual mains examination, Mr. Devesh, within the 3 hours of time, you have to answer any 5 questions. So, what was your approach on that mains examination, paper one, paper two?
Sir, I once I get the paper, I first give the 5 to 10 minutes to select the three optional questions. And after selecting the optional question, I first done the optional question because I feel the I select the optional question which I'm strong in. So I first do the optional question, and after that, in the last 1 or 15 minutes, I have done the compulsory question.
Compulsory questions. So, did you attempt all the 5 questions there?
Yes, sir. I have attempted all the 5 questions in the both paper one and paper.
Good. Coming to your interview, Devesh, do you remember any two interesting questions that you have been asked?
Sir, the interview, the mainly 4 topics are asked from me. The first one is the 9/11 attack in the American soil. The second one is bridge engineering. The third one is airport design, and the fourth one is tunnel engineering. No conventional question is asked from me, so that is a quite dangerous interview for me. Nothing predictable thing is there. All the things and all the questions are unpredictable, and nothing is given in the any book. So that's a quite challenging for me.
No, because you happen to be IIT and they
Yes,
might
sir.
ask for this type of topics, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, how do you answer those points, those questions?
Sir, I just want to tell one question. For example, they asked me in the 9/11 attacks, the aeroplane crashed into the building and the building damage and the collapse. So they asked me, if you were the structural engineer there, how will you protect the building? And if you have to construct that kind of building in the India, how will you construct it? That is a good kind of question they asked me.
What do you answer in such case?
Sir, I've explained the IS 875 part 5, which has given the kind of fire load and the blast load, which can be used for the designing of that kind of building.
Good, good. So, after writing the mains examination and giving the interview, did you ever expect that you'd be in the top 10?
No, sir, definitely not.
not possible also because it's quite uncertain. But
Yes.
finally, you made it right, all in a third rank. Very good. So Devesh, so from this experience, what advice that you want to share with your juniors and other aspirants of this engineering service examination in general, and particularly from civil engineering perspective?
Sir, first of all, keep yourself motivated is very important, and the gradual increase in performance is important. In the initial test series, I have performed very worst and the bad, but as the time increases, I have performed well in the examination. So keep yourself motivated and keep trying, so you will get the success.
Okay. From civil engineering perspective, anything?
Sir, I'm not able to recall it that.
Right. Okay. Okay. Good, Devesh. I think these particular points will be useful for the aspirants. I once again congratulate you and
Thank
thank
you.
you for sharing your time and discussing with me. I right. So wish you all good luck, Mr. Devesh.
Thank you, sir.